Yoga is an ancient practice that has been used for thousands of years to promote physical, mental, and spiritual health. It is a form of exercise that involves performing various poses, called asanas, to help increase flexibility, build strength, and reduce stress. There are many different types of yoga, each with its own unique focus, but all with the goal of helping people live happier and healthier lives. In this video, we will explore some of the most popular yoga asanas and the benefits they provide. Downward dog is one of the most well-known yoga poses and is a staple of many yoga routines. It is a great way to stretch your hamstrings, calves, and spine, while also strengthening your arms and shoulders. To perform this pose, start on all fours, then lift your hips up into the air and extend your arms and legs. This pose is also great for increasing circulation, reducing stress, and improving energy levels. Warrior 2 is a strong, empowering pose that helps to build strength and stability in your legs, hips, and core. To perform this pose, step your feet apart and turn one foot to the side. Bend your front knee, reaching your arms out to the side. This pose is great for improving balance, building confidence, and reducing stress and anxiety. Tree pose is a beautiful, balancing pose that requires focus and concentration. To perform this pose, stand on one foot and place the sole of your other foot on your inner thigh. Place your hands in prayer position at your heart, and maintain your balance. This pose is great for improving balance and coordination, calming the mind, and reducing stress. Child's pose is a gentle, restorative pose that is perfect for stretching your back, hips, and thighs. To perform this pose, start on all fours and reach your arms forward, then sit back on your heels, stretching your arms forward. This pose is great for reducing stress, improving circulation, and helping you feel relaxed and calm. Cobra Pose is a great way to strengthen your upper body and improve your posture. To perform this pose, lie on your belly, then lift your chest and arms off the ground while keeping your elbows close to your sides. This pose is great for improving posture, reducing stress, and helping to relieve back pain. Savasana is a relaxing, restorative pose that is often performed at the end of a yoga practice. To perform this pose, lie on your back, letting your arms and legs relax and release any tension. This pose is great for reducing stress, calming the mind, and helping you feel refreshed and rejuvenated. These are just a few of the many yoga asanas that are available, each with its own unique benefits. Whether you are looking to improve your physical health, reduce stress, or simply want to spend some time connecting with your mind and body, yoga has something to offer for everyone. So why not give it a try and see what benefits you can experience for yourself? In conclusion, yoga is a powerful and ancient practice that has been used for thousands of years to promote physical, mental, and spiritual health. There are many different types of yoga and asanas to choose from, each with its own unique benefits. Whether you are new to yoga or have been practicing for years, there is always something new to learn and explore, and new ways to deepen your practice. So why not take the time to try out some of these popular yoga asanas and see what benefits you can experience for yourself? If this information is helpful, share it with your friends and family.